So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the Honda S2000. So as you guys can see on the floor right here, we got a bunch of globes from iilumo. Check that out, pretty sick. Yeah, so it's going to be a quick simple video today. Basically we're just going to be changing every globe or most globes on the S2000. So right here I basically got the S2K iilumo package. So in that package it comes with the headlight globes, I think it comes with parkers, interior light, boot light, license plate lights, and I opted for the extra and I got the reverse light as well because you know we want some reverse lights brighter than my future. Check that out. Wow, look at that. And I don't know how well you guys can see, but look at that product right there. It's so small, but it's even got their logo on it. Check that out. Even check this one out, not too sure how well you guys can see it, but look how small it is, but it's still got their logo on it. Far, check that out. Even this one as well. Damn, sick as product. But yeah, this install should be straightforward. Basically, you know, it's just plug and play. So you remove your old one, put in the new one. So like I said, we're going to do the rears, do the interior and the front. The only downside with the S2K is, you guys probably know, probably already said this 100 times, but to do the actual headlights, to get the globe out, you actually have to jack up the car, take off the wheels, take off the fender lining, unscrew the cap just to get to the headlight, because you can't even open the hood and get access to it. So that's the only downside. But yeah, I guess we'll start off with the easy stuff first. Just took out these stock S2000 reverse globes. Now we can chuck in these bad boys. Wow, look how fat they are. PHAT. You're already gonna tell it's gonna be 100 times way better. Alright, we just did the first set of reverse lights and check this out. So are you guys ready? So right here, this is before. As you guys can see, it's got that warm yellow color. And then check this out. This is the after with the iilumo reverse LEDs. Check that out. Look how bright it is. Far brighter than my future. Check that out. Damn. So once again, bro, this is night and day difference. Look, this is like yellow, yeah. This is pretty whack as shit. And then come here, 100 times way better. Wow, that's actually sick. Like DJ would say, that's sicky. Alright, let's plug this back in and see what it's like in the housing. Let's go. So here it is. What do you guys reckon inside the tail lights? So on the left is iilumo, on the right is OEM. Check that out. On camera the iilumo looks a bit more blue, but in real life it's actually pretty white. But what do you guys reckon? Look at that, 100 times way better. Wow, this is actually 100 times way better. Check that out. Wow, night and day difference. So now we have finished with the reverse lights. We can now move on to the trunk light, which is right here, and the license plate lights. So basically I think they share the same, so it should be easy, pretty simple. And yeah, pop this shit out here. Right there, as you can see the globe is right here. Probably twist it or just pull it out, and then we stick in one of these bad boys. So just plug straight in, plug and play. Look at that, check that out. 100 times way better. Look at it, that's actually 100 times way better than the stock one. Damn, check that out. Alright, we just got one side of the number plate in. You guys probably can't tell because it's daytime, but if you look underneath, check that out. So right here on the right is the iilumo one, and then on the left is the OEM old LED eBay spec I had. So check that out. What do you guys reckon? 100 times way better. So I can't wait to see this at night, because obviously you already can tell this one is going to be 100 times way better. Alright, so now we've done the trunk license plate and reverse light, we can now move on to the last easiest thing, which is the interior. So as you guys can see right here, if I turn it on, look at that, it doesn't even work sometimes. You gotta press it, see? I don't know what's going on. Hopefully it's not the wiring, because if it is, then later bolt, because yeah, I don't even know how to wire anything. But yeah, it's like an eBay spec one, I think. But as you guys can see, it's pretty bright, but like I said, it acts up sometimes. So hopefully the iilumo one fixes it, as you guys can see right here. And yeah, fuck yeah, check that out guys. Just installed it and check this out. Always working now. Wow, look at that. 100 times. Way better, look. Wow, it's always working as well. Do you remember the other one? It was acting up. Wow, check that out. Let's go, look. Fuck yeah, that's actually pretty sick and pretty easy. Look at that, it's 100 times. Way better down. So for those who know, you know, all the boys that come in my S2K, you guys probably already know this shit acts up and doesn't even work, but check that out now. Damn, can't say shit anymore, hey. But yeah guys, so now we've done all the easiest stuff. Now we have the last two stuff, which is the parkers and the headlight globe, which is the hardest, because like I said, probably one of the worst things about the S2K, to do a headlight globe change, you got to basically jack up the car. So I'll show you guys if I open the boot or the bonnet. As you guys can see, we're in the engine bay and there is no access to the globes at all. You might be able to shove your hand in there, but I doubt it. So yeah, it's not like a normal car where you just come in, pull it out and done. So yeah, so that's the shit thing guys. Yeah, gotta jack it up, take off the wheels, and yeah. And at the same time, I can check out my bolt tires, because check this out guys. Ever since I got defected, I think the alignment was made for the TEs, and when I put on the stockies, I didn't get another alignment. And then check this out, look how bold they are. Maybe I'll make a video on DIY slicks, yeah? Basically became slicks. But yeah. So check this out guys, just took off the wheels, and remember how I said it was bold? Check this out, here it is, look how bold it is. Damn, as you can see, look at my finger. Bro, it doesn't even cover anything, basically just a nail. So I think what happened is, you know, how I got the wheel alignment, it was actually set up for the TE37s and the camber and auto toe. But then when I put on the stockies after I got defected, I never really got alignment, and then, yeah, look, basically just flattened the wheel out. And what's crazy is that this tire was basically fresh, brand new. And this tire was basically brand new, and this only lasted 2 weeks. So it only took 2 weeks to eat all the tread. So far, that's actually shit. So at the moment, I don't really drive the S2K as much, but hopefully we can get a new alignment and then we can take this thing back out again. But look at that, that's basically flat right here, look. So yeah guys, make sure to fix your alignment. So the back is pretty good. As you guys can see, fresh tires, but the fronts are, yeah, later bolt, and they're both like this on both sides. So that's yeah, that's shit. Just take a look. Damn. Fuck. Just finished installing the passenger side. Suss this out, what a mission, yeah. Told you guys I have to take this off. And so I haven't done the driver side, so let's see if we can see a comparison in the daylight. So here are the parkers. You can't really see, too much glare, but this is before. Look at that, yellow, ugly, and this is after with the iilumo. Check that out. Wow, pretty bright, yeah. Wow, I reckon that can pass as headlights as well. But yeah, once again, that's the parkers stock. an iilumo. And here's the headlights. Currently see it again, guys, but in person right now you can definitely tell. I can't wait to try these out at night, but actually you can. So if you look on the left, not as bright, and if you look on the right, hella bright. Damn, 100 times way better. So I kind of wish the sun was setting right now, then we can have a better look, but yeah, I guess not, guys. So I'm going to do the other side. Look at this water mission just to do the front. Yeah, damn, not bad, not bad. But what do you guys reckon though? Once again, pretty sick. Alright guys, everything is now installed. So as you guys can see, the front headlight globe, the front parkers, also did the interior right here, as you guys can see. Also got the reverse lights, number plate lights, and of course the boot light. Check that out. So I kind of wish it was nighttime so then I can show you guys the full potential of these iilumo lights, but I guess I'll either show you guys a before and after clip, or maybe I'll come back out when the sun sets, but who knows. But check that out, guys. S2000 looking stock again, but with the iilumo globes, it's 100 times way better. Damn, what mod should I do, guys? So iilumo lights is all done now, but now what should I do? Check this out. The reverse light is so bright, it's like headlights. Look at that. Light up the whole street, whole house. Now we got iilumo, we don't even need these old ones anymore.